Hello everyone, I am Chef Preeti Sinhal and today in this video I am going to demonstrate you baking, another cooking method. Baking is a dry heat method. In that, cooking of food by the action of dry heat in an oven that happens in baking. Baking cooks food by surrounding them with hot and dry air. I can relate with baking with another cooking method, which is like this is similar to the roasting, except that one does not baste the food as one would do during the roasting. Now baking principle is applied to bakery, confectionery, patisserie, as we all are aware about it and we see around our everywhere, which would essentially be flour based products. There are few exceptions also, as some of the potatoes are baked with skin, then lasagna is baked, then moussaka is baked, as well the baked vegetables are also baked. Now in baking, oven is an integral part to cooking, as always has to use an oven to accomplish baking. Baking is, as I told you, is carried out in an oven where the food is cooked by dry heat, and sometimes the moisture available in the food act as a steam there by modifying the dry heat in the oven. So today in this demonstration I am going to show you baked vegetable. So for that procedure, let's look at the ingredients and how I am going to proceed it. While doing that, I am going to tell you that what are the heat principle or heat transfer is applied in the baking, and what are the important points we need to take care while doing the baking. So let's look at the ingredients. So for today's demonstration, I am making a baked vegetable, as I told you. In that, I am using different colorful vegetables. In that, zucchini, then cauliflower, broccoli, beans, carrot, peas, mushroom and beautiful colored bell peppers that we are using. Some of the vegetable I have blanched in that, like broccoli and cauliflower I have blanched. Over here, beans and carrot and peas I have blanched. Mushroom also we have sauteed, because when we are doing baking, as the mushroom has a major part of water, then it will, while baking it will leave lot of water, so we have sauteed. Apart from that, we are using Mornay sauce, which is one of the derivative of the white sauce, cheese, butter, salt, pepper. These are the ingredients which we are using today to make the baked dish. For that, I have taken one glass dish. In that, I am going to arrange these vegetables. The most important thing that the food should be or should have a very good eye appeal. That is also important. So we are going to arrange the vegetable nicely. On that, I am going to add butter, salt, pepper to give it a little flavor to the vegetable. Then I am going to cover it with the Mornay sauce. On top of that, I am going to grate the cheese. So let's go through with the procedure. So to start with the procedure of making baked vegetable, I have taken one casserole. In that, we'll start arranging the vegetables. a nice bright green color. Cauliflower. So nicely we arrange the vegetables. Next I am going to add the carrots. The next vegetable, zucchini. The next is beans. Just make sure that all the vegetables are properly spread in the casserole. So next I am going to add the mushrooms. Mushroom quantity is better if we put the little less. Just bell peppers, colorful, beautiful bell peppers. Now the peas. On this I am going to now add the cheese, which I am going to grate it. So it will give a nice cheesy taste. Season it nicely for seasoning. Light salt. The pepper. A little salt also I will put, if a little less it is. In that I am putting thyme sprigs, so it will give a nice flavor. Butter. Now on this I'm going to spread the Mornay sauce. Spread it evenly over the vegetables. Evenly. We have to spread it. Just dipping my spoon in the water, so it will give a nice finish. I'm just dipping my spoon in the water so the sauce will not stick at the backside, and it will give a nice finish. It should be nice flat. That is how. Now I am going to place this casserole in the oven at the 180 degree. Now our dish is ready to go in the oven. So at 180 degree centigrade we will put in the oven, and I am going to bake this dish till the top becomes brown, almost golden brown it should be. So let's proceed to the oven. So now is the time to put the casserole in the oven. So for very important point for the baking to take care that your oven needs to be preheated. So for baked dish today we need 180 degree. So I have already put my oven on the 180 degree around 10 to 15 minutes. So by the time I am ready with my preparation to keep in the oven is already at the 180 degree. So now let's keep it over here. The another point which we need to take care is, while the baking is happening in the oven, we are not supposed to open the door in between or for again and again. What will happen? As it opens, the air from the outside goes inside and the temperature drops. So the baking process does not happen properly. So that is the second point to take care. Another very important point, that how the heat transfer or heat transference happens in the cooking method or in this cooking method. In that we have a three kind of cooking preferences, or I would say cooking transfer, heat transfer, three types of cooking transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. These are the three different types which all happens while we are doing baking. So students, now let's check the our baked vegetable whether it is ready or not. So You have to be very, very careful as the dish is also very hot. The casserole is very hot. Let's close it. It's beautiful golden color of the baked vegetable, and as you can see, the sauce has reached at the bottom and it will give a nice creamy texture to the dish, to the baked vegetable. And let's plate it out nicely and let's move to that. So here is the dish. We have cut a nice piece and plated it. So normally the baked vegetables are served as a side dish, but if you want to have as a main dish or as a individual dish, then you can have it, and that is served with bread which is toasted, and on that I have applied the parsley butter. You can apply garlic butter, plain butter, however you like it. So you can see it has a nice golden crust and a very creamy texture inside has come. The very important thing about baking is how the heat transference happen in or during the process. Like we saw in the roasting, like we all know in the roasting or pouring, where the food is also cooked in oven, the similar method of heat transference are also used here, conduction and convection. As the convected heat comes in contact with the food, it is conducted through the goods being baked. Radiated heat from the source of equipment will also be absorbed by the food to a great extent. Thus, this method of cooking also utilize all the method of heat transfer. Guys, as I told you that there are some basic things or basic points which we need to remember. So guys, as we are finished with the demonstration of the baked vegetable, while baking, as I have mentioned some of the point which we need to take care. Again, I will repeat over here that we are not supposed to open the oven door very frequently, otherwise the temperature will drop. The second point, you need to always preheat the oven. The temperature range differ from product to product. So normally it is from 100 to anyhow or any range 500 till you can set up your oven and bake your products. When we cook or when we bake any dish, any product, like as today we bake the baked vegetable, the dish when we taking out is really hot because the product has been baked in that. So while taking out, it's very important that you use the oven gloves or duster also, which should be dry. It should not be damp or wet, otherwise with the steam you will burn your hand. So these are the basic points you need to take care of. So guys, I hope you'll watch the video, practice it and acquire the skill to make the good baked product. Have a good day. Thank you.